Yes, yes, I have seen my life. Someone, lots of people, they are beautiful, and they are, they are understood that, I'm beautiful. I can do anything in my life. But they don't have
Hmm.
any kind of skill. They don't kind of, any kind of, you can say a skill. Okay. Madam, first of all, I would like to know about yourself, because we have known each other for a couple of months.
Hmm.
Despite of this, I want to know more about you.
Okay, I am Tanya Singh and I'm joining you from Rajasthan. I'm a homemaker and I blessed with a daughter also. And I have completed my master's. If I talk about my hobbies, so my hobby is watching good movies and playing badminton. That's all about me.
Okay, that's great. So I'm
So
going
for
to
my viewers,
introduce myself.
yes, yes.
Yeah,
Hmm.
definitely. So my name is
Hmm.
Jamdij Rai, and I was born and raised in Bihar. Basically,
Hmm.
I'm calling from Kuwait. If I talk
Hmm.
about my education, so I am intermediate pass. If I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are, I love to travel, I love to talk new people, and I love to learn new things. Apart from that, I have a YouTube channel, a small YouTube channel, where I upload English conversation videos. And I am
Hmm.
doing job in Kuwait. I have come Kuwait for the job purpose. Yeah, that's all about me.
Hmm. In today's video, I will narrate a story. And after that story, you will tell me the teachings.
Okay, what kind of a story?
Very simple story, I will tell you. I will narrate a story.
Okay, no problem. So you
Okay?
start.
Yes. Once upon a time, there was a kingdom. And in that kingdom, there was a very beautiful princess. Princess name was Ankita. Okay?
Okay.
Ankita was so beautiful and elegant. So everyone praised her beauty and appearance. And they always look princess. After seeing this, princess always think, oh, I'm so beautiful. So she became proudy. And she always think I can do everything with my beauty. And on the other hand, in a village, there was a poor girl and she was a simple looking girl. She was not so much beautiful as Ankita, but she was very intellectual girl and wise girl. After some time, that kingdom terribly faced a drought. Everyone was suffering from the drought. All the crops were destroyed. Then the king announced, who will find a solution? Whoever find a solution for this drought, I will give him reward. Then princess thought, okay, I can do everything with my beauty. I will please all the gods with my beauty and I will convince. But all was wasted. Then the other girl, Meena, who was a poor girl, but she was intelligent girl. She know the technique of harvesting and she know how can we preserve the water by water harvesting. And then
Okay.
she suggested villagers we should grow that type of plant. They will take they can take less water. And they applied this technique. And after applying this technique, the drought slowly um, fully disappeared. Then all were very happy applying their technique, and they praised that girl Meena for her wisdom and kind. She was very kind-hearted person also. She always loved to helping others. So after that, in the end, Ankita understand. She understand. Okay, I'm so beautiful, but she has no intellectual mind and she has no helping nature. So all is wasted. You should have some compassion, some kindness, and you should always respect to others.
Hmm. Yeah, I
So now
totally
you
agree
tell
with.
me what you understand by this story. There are two things: inner beauty and outer beauty. Inner beauty means you have some mercy, you have some kindness, and you have some helping nature of others. But outer beauty, like sometimes some beautiful person always think that I'm so beautiful, I can do everything, but they have no compassion, they have no mercy.
Yes, yes, I have seen my life. Someone, lots of people, they are beautiful, and they are, they are understood that I'm beautiful. I can do anything in my life, but they don't have
Hmm.
any kind of scale. They don't kind of any kind of you can say skills. Okay, that's why they are not able to work. But if you have a
Hmm.
definitely, if you have a skills, okay, if you have good manner, if you have good
Hmm.
thing, definitely someone respect you, someone will help you a lot,
Hmm. Hmm.
isn't it? But if you
Yes.
are if you are beautiful, okay, but you don't have any kind of skills, so you are not
Hmm.
going to do anything. You should have
Hmm.
mind, should have mind, okay, and before going to
Hmm.
think like I am going to do this thing. So can I do or not? After that, we should start.
Hmm.
Understood?
Yes.
So it
Like
is
in the
great.
society, we always
It is
observe like there are two person. Someone is very beautiful and someone is very, wise, intelligent, but they are not so beautiful. But in the first meeting, it is, tendency, human nature. They always attract to the beautiful person. After some time,
yeah,
they will, identify their qualities. Is it true?
yeah. It is true. It is true. You know, it
Yes.
is true. But,
And
uh, sometimes people don't like who is not
mm,
fair, who is not fair. Sometimes people don't like because they are not
yes.
beautiful. That's why people don't like. People don't like
Mm,
to talk with her and
mm,
him. But when see
yes.
beautiful girl, beautiful boy, handsome boy, so people want to talk. Go to there and they want to talk. It is true.
Mm,
So it was
yes.
great story. So may I know from where did you learn this story?
I learned this story from GPT.
Okay. And what did you write? What did you write that you get kind of this kind of story? What do you write?
I just write, give me a story, outer beauty or inner beauty. Outer beauty versus inner beauty. Yes.
Okay. Anything you write, definitely I think you will be given any kind of
Mm,
a story.
yes. Yes, yes. Any kind of story they will write for you.
Okay, that's great. I think it is great app.
No, no, it is Chat GPT.
Okay. So when did you upload? When did you upload? And who told you about this app?
I got this knowledge from YouTube. Nobody tell me that there is a Chat GPT. I all thing learned from the YouTube.
Okay, okay, that's great. Yes.
Nobody guided me. All things I
Mm-hmm.
learned from YouTube.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So
Yes.